Today's baptismal is very special. It's the first one I'm holding in this new gompa in the presence of Lama Tsongkhapa, Vajrayogini, etc., enlightened beings. And today's very special is because I composed a baptismal text based on Lama Tsongkhapa's prayer for the babies. So today, when the babies and the children get their baptismal, after today, they are Buddhist. They are protected by the Buddha. They are protected by the Dharma. They are protected by the Sangha. What I like the parents to do is teach your children when they can speak or they're speaking Tsongkhapa's short mantra, Om Ara Bansa Nadi. Don't force them. Talk to them gently, and by your example of doing the practice, recite the mantra. Because if you have your children start the mantra now, that's 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years of preparation before they grow up and leave your home, that they will be good people. Everybody knows if we do real Dharma practice, we become good people. Everybody knows that. So imagine if we can start this with your children. You are going to feed them. You are going to work for them. You are going to educate them. You are going to wash them and clean them and take care of them. You have to do so much for them. Then when they grow up, if they turn out to be wonderful people, that's great. But one way of helping them to turn out to be wonderful people is to make sure the Dharma is in their mind. The blessings, the 3 jewels in their mind. Why? A mother and father's love must manifest in something very high. More than food, more than money, more than clothes, more than education for your kids. Those are necessary. Those are good. But it must manifest in the highest of the high to give your children a spiritual foundation so that when they grow up, they will be law-abiding citizens of our beautiful country. They will be respectful of elders. They will be respectful of their parents. They will not harm others. They will not do drugs. They will not get drunk. They will not hurt anyone in any way. How can we do that? You don't do that when they grow up and it's too late. You have to do it starting when they're young. The parents must show the correct example. So therefore, to give the gift of Dharma to your children is the best gift. The food you gave them, the education you gave them, the clothes you gave them might be forgotten. But the Dharma you gave them will lead them for the rest of their lives safely, even after you are dead. You don't have to worry about your children anymore. And then they will pass this to their children. That's very important. I invoke upon the blessings of Lama Tsongkhapa, who was prophesied by Shakyamuni himself. The second Buddha, Lama Tsongkhapa, Losang Chakpa. I invoke upon your blessings and your power today to bless all these children, to enter their mind streams, so they will be protected from nightmares. They'll be protected from wrong and negative influences. They will be safe and always have a good mind, that their education will be successful, and they'll grow up to be wonderful, wonderful people that respect their parents and that live good lives to benefit others. I invoke upon Lama Tsongkhapa's blessings. I take refuge in the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha from my heart. Today on Wesak Day, the day that Lord Buddha was born, your child enters Dharma. How auspicious. 𝐿𝐴𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸